Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville Oracle Touch espresso machine. It comes to us with an issue. It has a short inside it, and it was shown right away if you try to steam. So that was like before it starts steaming or whatever, it strips the breaker, and that was related to this solenoid valve that has short, and this is clogged here. So when I replaced it, it stopped doing that, but it was like there is something also wrong. I used to hear some weird sound and was from the other. This is was only the coil, and so I just like it replaced both. And I noticed the machine needs a tune-up. In the time there was like leaking from these water level probes, and all these o-rings like not good also, and some other o-rings like these are some of them in the steam boiler and in many other places. So I just replaced them in my way, and I did a tune-up for the machine. I descaled it 2 times, flushed both boilers, and did it a cleaning cycle. And this is the group head gasket, the old one. It got a new one. So let's go ahead and test it. I'm going to start with the steamer. Steaming. Now you can keep it steaming forever, nothing gonna happen once it gets repaired. And even the steam one gets deep cleaning. So it's supposed to clean itself like that after you finish. This is perfect, and you can also steam like manually like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and make espresso shot on it. And also actually the grinder gets deep cleaning, and even the hopper gets cleaned and recalibrated. I don't usually test these machines with a single shot basket, but this is what comes with the machine, and I don't mind to do it. So the customer now have more margin to recalibrate the grinder. It's gonna give like finer grind until he do it like coarser. So let's see. That's okay, not bad, but I mean always when it's like single shot basket, I prefer that double. There you go. It's a single shot. You can make it like more by recalibrate it from here, change the setting, or make it coarser, whatever you like. So let's test the hot water. So the machine functioning perfect, everything works perfect. Thank you for watching.